Is your wallet crying louder than your favorite soap opera character? Relax. You're in the right place. Welcome to the channel where I show you how to enjoy your free time without breaking the law or running out of money. Today's juicy topic: how to watch movies, shows, and documentaries in Spanish. Completely free and 100% legal. No shady websites, no virus nightmares, no closing 14 pop-ups just to watch one scene. Let's jump into 10 platforms that offer free legal Spanish content. And yes, they actually work. 1. Pluto TV. It's like old school TV but super fast. Dozens of live channels, tons of movies and shows in Spanish. No account, no fuss, just hit play. 1. RTVE Play. This one's from Spain's public TV station. Free access to TV shows, documentaries, classic films, and more. High quality, legal, and super cultural. 1. Plex TV. Think Netflix, but free. Plex has live TV, movies, and shows, including a big part in Spanish. Easy to use and works almost anywhere. 1. Tubi TV. Popular in the US, but don't miss out. You'll find hidden treasures in Spanish you won't see elsewhere. Available on your phone, TV, or laptop. 1. VIX Latin American soap operas, comedies, movies, all free. And the app, super smooth. 1. Filmoteca Española on YouTube. Love black and white classics? Spain's official film archive has fixed up old movie masterpieces for free. 1. Rakuten TV free section. You'll see some ads, but it's worth it. Plenty of free movies and shows, many in Spanish or with Spanish voices. 1. DW Español, YouTube. For documentary fans, topics like science, culture, politics, all in Spanish. Trustworthy, in-depth, and totally free. 1. Canal 14, Mexico. A great find, independent films, culture, and education in beautiful Latin American Spanish. 1. Canal Encuentro, Argentina. Educational content, documentaries, interviews, all free and legal. Great for learning about Latin America with real information. Now let's be real. Stay away from sketchy websites. Free doesn't have to mean risky. Viruses and getting into trouble? No thanks. Smart viewer tips. Use different platforms for endless content. Some are blocked in certain areas. Use a reliable, legal VPN if you need to. Works on phones, tablets, laptops, even smart fridges, probably. So there you have it. 10 real ways to watch a lot in Spanish for free. No tricks, no monthly payments, no excuses. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share with that friend who still thinks free means illegal. I'll be back with more tips to make your watching even better. Until then, remember, legal can still be awesome.